welcome. Hope everybody is well. Today I've got for you, I've bought some yarn from Under an English Sky. Now, if you saw one of my videos earlier in the year, you will know that Gina from Knitting Turnpike gifted me this at Christmas. So they are a UK company and I wanted to check them out. So that's what I've done. I've made a little purchase and let's see what we've got. Sorry about the twinkle. Oh, look at that. It come really, look at that. Look at that, how lovely that is packaged. Isn't that lovely with all the birds on it and a little bow? So let's undo that, take that off. So let's see what I bought. Oh, I know what I got. So I got, this is called Boating on Loch Ness, and it's all the different shades of purple. It's a finger weight yarn, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. It's 100 grams and it's 425 meters, guys. Isn't that lovely? And then I bought these minis. I'm really into minis at the moment. Again, the same stats as this, and there's 100 grams here and there's 5 of them, so they're 20 grams each. And this is called Wildflower Mini Set. Isn't that beautiful? I've got the label up, but oh no, I've got, isn't that gorgeous? And then I bought this one, Make, Do and Mend. Look at them reds and blues. Isn't that gorgeous? So I really like, I think these are going to end up being socks for Rick then. I think they'll be nice socks for Rick. They'll be for me, and these will go, that one will definitely go with that one to make heel toe. So they are my get it round the right way. And they're my sock. They're my purchase from Under the Sky. So soft and squishy, really nice, and it's not itchy, and it smells lovely. It smells, yes, very, very nice. It smells lovely. So that is the little purchase I made from Under an English Sky. So I'll put the link below, guys. Check them out. They are based here in the UK. I really like the yarn, and yeah, so maybe a cowl. I might make a cowl with that one, actually. That might make a nice cowl. I think I've got enough socks, but I know they are, I bought them specifically for Rick to make socks, and I bought them for heel toes on. I've got other yarns that these will go, I can mix with these, kind of like this one, which I was gifted from Gina. That'll go really nice for a heel toe and cuff contrast. So that's why I bought these minis, to do contrasting heel and toes and cuffs. So that's all from me for today. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, and until the next video, be kind to you and others around you as well. Bye bye for now.